Hello everyone and welcome to today's class for class 10. In today's class we are going to study few questions from this chapter. The first question that we are going to study today is, what do you mean by rancidity of food? How to prevent it? Now we all have observed oily or fatty foods. When you're leaving them in open air for a while, they start to smell and taste very bad. Now why this thing happens? The reason behind for the specifically oily or fatty foods to become very bad with time is that when they are left behind while this starts to do oxidation reaction with the help of the atmospheric oxygen, and the food starts to disintegrate. Now this disintegration due to the oxidation, that is the specifically fatty or oily food is doing with the help of the oxygen in the air, this entire process is known as the rancidity of the food. Now there are various methods by which we can prevent this rancidity of the food. The first one is the adding antioxidant. Now there are certain chemicals which prevent this oxidation of the fatty or oily foods. When these kind of foods are being packaged, this kind of antioxidant chemicals are being added to the food, so the oxidation reaction can be prevented for a longer period of time. The second preventive measure that we can take is the vacuum packaging. When this kind of food are being packaged, the air inside the package is being pumped out, and so that the food inside the package do not come in contact with the air for a longer period of time, and as a result the oxidation or the rancidity process is hindered. This third one is the replacing air by nitrogen. Similarly, when the packaging is happening, when the air is being pumped out, nitrogen gas, which is inert in nature, do not react with other substances so easily, is being filled up inside the package. As a result, the food inside the package do not come in contact with the air, and also gets prevented. Also other kind of reactions of the food also gets prevented because they are surrounded by the inert nitrogen gas. The fourth one is refrigeration of the food stuff. Now, when refrigeration of the food is when we are refrigerating the food, we are actually decreasing the temperature. We are actually hindering the food to get the energy that is required by it to do some kind of a reaction, whether it is a rancidity reaction or whether it is other kind of a reaction for its disintegration. So as we are preventing the food to get any kind of energy by lowering the temperature, the rancidity process also gets hindered. The next question is, in the refining of silver from silver nitrate, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement reaction by copper. Write down the reaction involved. Now the chemical reaction for this particular reaction will be followed as copper is reacting with, which is solid in nature, with silver nitrate in aqueous solution. Displacement reaction will happen as copper is much more reactive than the silver. It placed above the silver in activity series. As a result, copper nitrate in aqueous solution will be formed along with silver precipitate. That's how the refining of the silver from the silver nitrate with the help of displacement reaction by the copper is done. The next question is, iron knife is dipped into the copper sulfate solution and the solution turns blue to light green. Why? The reaction for this particular reaction will be followed as iron knife is dipped into the copper sulfate, so iron will be reacting with the copper sulfate. Iron, which is solid, is reacting with copper sulfate in aqueous solution medium Now we all know that copper sulfate is blue in color, and we also know that the activity of iron is much more compared to the iron. In the activity series, iron is placed above the copper. So iron in this particular reaction will displace this copper to produce its own sulfate salt, that is iron sulfate in aqueous medium along with copper, which will be precipitated out. Now this iron sulfate FeSO4 is light green in color. Therefore, the medium will turn to blue to light green.